Welcome back everyone to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely spicy chicken nuggets. Here I have some black pepper, some all-purpose season, chili flakes, garlic, some red onion, and some parsley. In this bowl here is 2 chicken breasts, which dice, medium dice. So I'll take you through the process. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my chicken breast in this. I'm gonna add black pepper in, chili flakes, garlic, bit of all-purpose season, and the onion. Bit of parsley. So this is what it looked like. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the blending. Just gonna put it flat. So this is what this is a mixture. This is what it looked like. So I'm just gonna take it and put it into a bowl and start to shape my nuggets. So what I'll be doing, I'm gonna use a scoop like this. It's just to get the portion even. So probably if I can get this, and then I'll show you what I mean. Just put them on the plate like this. I do this just for them to be even. And then I'm just gonna roll them into a better shape, like so. So just get yourself some flour, roll them around in the flour a bit. So what I'm doing here now, I'm just pressing them into the shape. Just press them into the shape you like. So whatever shape you want, if you want to do it like this, you can. So what I'm gonna do with these now, I'm gonna put them in the egg mixture and then set them aside. So after I dip them in the egg, I just put them here. So this is what it looks. This is what I'm doing. See this from the egg mixture, and just lay it aside. Now I have some breadcrumbs. This is breadcrumbs and it mixed with cornmeal. So you can do your own blend at home. If you have a good blender or a Robocop, just put some breadcrumbs in it, fresh breadcrumbs with cornmeal, and it will come out golden like this. So with this, you can either shake it up and look, it's good to go. So I'm just gonna put it over here. So get your pan on, get yourself some nice fresh oil. Pour it in. So these was in the fridge. When you make them, put them in the fridge to relax a bit, and then we'll start our frying process. So here, put it on a spatula, just put it down.